Intro. Welcome back. In today's world, technology has made starting a business easier than ever before. You no longer need a fancy office, expensive equipment, or dozens of employees. Many successful businesses now operate with just one person, a laptop, and an internet connection. But here's something most people never realize. The easiest business to start isn't always the best one. The real opportunity is finding businesses that solve everyday problems while keeping expenses low and profits high. Today, we're counting down 16 business ideas that fit exactly that description. Let's begin. Business number 1, digital product store. Imagine creating something only once and getting paid for it again and again and again. That's exactly how digital products work. Templates, printable planners, budget spreadsheets, resume designs, business checklists, study guides. People buy these products online every single day. Once created, there's no inventory to store, no shipping costs, and no packaging. Your biggest investment is simply your time. Many creators earn passive income because every new sale requires almost no additional work. Of course, success doesn't happen overnight, but if your products genuinely help people save time or solve a problem, they can continue generating income for years. Instead of selling hours, you're selling value. And that's one of the biggest advantages of digital businesses. Business number 2, mobile car detailing. Think about this. Millions of people love driving clean cars, but many don't have time to visit a car wash. That's where mobile detailing becomes valuable. Instead of customers coming to you, you go directly to them. You clean cars at homes, offices, or apartment complexes. The startup costs are surprisingly low. Basic cleaning equipment, microfiber towels, cleaning solutions, a portable vacuum. That's often enough to get started. As your reputation grows, customers begin recommending you to friends and family. Many owners eventually hire employees and serve multiple neighborhoods every day. Convenience has become a premium service, and people are willing to pay for it.
Business number 3, lawn care and yard maintenance. This business may not sound exciting, but it quietly creates thousands of successful entrepreneurs every year. Many homeowners simply don't enjoy mowing lawns, trimming bushes, or maintaining their yards. Some are too busy, others are elderly, and many are happy to pay someone else. With a lawnmower, basic tools, and reliable service, one customer can easily turn into 10 through word of mouth. The secret isn't doing complicated work. It's showing up on time, doing quality work, and becoming the person people trust every season. Reliable service often beats flashy marketing.
Business number 4, print-on-demand clothing brand. Years ago, starting a clothing company required buying hundreds of shirts before making a single sale. Today, that's no longer necessary. With print-on-demand, products are created only after customers place an order. That means no inventory, no warehouse, and far less financial risk. Your main job becomes creating attractive designs and building a brand people connect with. Whether it's funny quotes, motivational messages, fitness themes, or pet lovers, every niche has potential. Instead of trying to sell to everyone, successful brands focus on serving one specific audience extremely well. That's often the difference between a business that survives and one that truly grows. Transition, those were just the beginning. The next businesses require even less money to start, but some of them have the potential to become full-time income sources with surprisingly high profit margins. Business number 5, residential cleaning service. Most people dream about having a perfectly clean home, but after working long hours, cleaning is often the last thing they want to do. That's why residential cleaning has become one of the fastest-growing service businesses. The startup costs are surprisingly low. A few quality cleaning supplies, basic equipment, transportation, and a commitment to excellent service are often enough to begin. What makes this business powerful is repeat customers. Unlike many businesses that constantly search for new clients, cleaning companies can build recurring weekly or monthly income. The more reliable you become, the more referrals you receive. People don't just pay for cleaning, they pay for peace of mind.
Business number 6. Social media management. Every business knows it should post on social media. The problem? Most business owners don't have the time. Restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, local stores. They all need someone to create posts, reply to comments, and keep their pages active. That's where social media managers come in. You don't need expensive equipment. A laptop, internet connection, and creativity are enough to start. As your experience grows, you can manage multiple clients at once. 1 hour of work can create content for an entire week. You're not selling posts. You're helping businesses stay visible in a competitive world. Business number 7. Pet sitting and dog walking people love their pets like family, but work, travel, and busy schedules often leave owners needing help. Pet sitting and dog walking solve a simple problem, and simple problems often create profitable businesses. Startup costs are almost zero. You mainly need trust, responsibility, and a genuine love for animals. Many happy customers become long-term clients because they don't want to leave their pets with strangers. One satisfied pet owner often recommends you to several others. In this business, your reputation becomes your biggest marketing tool. Business number 8. Window cleaning. At first glance, window cleaning doesn't sound exciting. But many successful entrepreneurs have built six-figure businesses doing exactly that. Homes, office buildings, retail stores, restaurants. Every property needs clean windows. The equipment is affordable, and the work can be learned quickly. The biggest advantage is repeat business. Businesses don't clean windows once, they clean them regularly. That creates predictable monthly income instead of constantly chasing new customers. Transition. We've only reached the halfway point. The next businesses require smart thinking more than big investments, and some of them can eventually become full-time companies. Business number 9. Home organization service. Have you ever opened a closet and felt overwhelmed by the clutter? You're not alone. Many people want organized homes, but don't know where to start. That's why home organization has become a growing business. Clients hire professionals to organize closets, kitchens, garages, offices, and storage rooms. The startup cost is very low. You mostly need basic organizing supplies, attention to detail, and good communication skills. The real value isn't moving items from one place to another. It's helping people save time, reduce stress, and enjoy their homes again. Happy clients often recommend organizers to friends and family, creating a steady flow of referrals. Business number 10, pressure. Washing. Some businesses literally make money by washing away dirt. Pressure washing is one of them. Driveways, sidewalks, patios, fences, roofs. These surfaces become dirty over time, and homeowners are willing to pay to restore their appearance. The equipment requires an initial investment, but once purchased, each completed job can generate excellent profits. A clean driveway can dramatically improve the look of an entire property. Customers don't just pay for cleaning. They pay for a home that looks newer and more valuable. Many pressure washing businesses also offer seasonal maintenance plans, creating repeat customers year after year. Business number 11. Online tutoring. Knowledge has become one of the most valuable products you can sell. If you're good at math, science, English, music, or even software skills, someone, somewhere, is willing to pay to learn from you. Online tutoring eliminates the need for classrooms and expensive offices. A laptop, stable internet connection, and video conferencing software are often all you need. The best tutors don't simply teach facts, they build confidence. Parents happily invest in tutors who help their children improve. Professionals also pay to learn skills that advance their careers. Your knowledge can become a business with very little startup cost. Business number 12. Furniture flipping. Most people see old furniture and think it's junk. Entrepreneurs see opportunity. Old tables, dressers, chairs, cabinets. Many can be purchased at garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces for very little money. With basic cleaning, repairs, sanding, and fresh paint, an inexpensive piece can become something buyers are excited to own. The profit doesn't come from expensive materials. It comes from adding value. Every successful business follows this same principle. Buy low, improve the product, sell at a higher value. Furniture flipping is simply one of the easiest examples of that strategy. Transition. We've covered 12 profitable low-cost businesses so far. But the final 4 ideas are among the most scalable on this list. Some entrepreneurs have turned these simple businesses into companies generating hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. Business number 13. Vending machine business. Imagine earning money even while you're asleep. That's one of the biggest reasons people are attracted to vending machines. Once placed in the right location, such as office buildings, schools, gyms, or apartment complexes, they can generate income with minimal daily effort. Your main responsibilities are keeping the machine stocked, collecting payments, and maintaining the equipment. The secret isn't owning the most machines. It's choosing the best locations. A single machine in a busy area can outperform several machines in poor locations. This business rewards smart placement more than hard labor. When managed properly, it can become a reliable source of semi-passive income. Business number 14. Event decoration business. Every celebration creates an opportunity. Birthdays, weddings, baby showers, corporate events. People want these moments to look unforgettable. The good news? You don't need a huge investment to get started. Many decorators begin with a small collection of balloons, backdrops, lights, table decorations, and creative ideas. As profits grow, they reinvest into better equipment and larger setups. In this business, creativity often matters more than expensive materials. One beautiful event can lead to dozens of referrals through photos shared on social media. Your work becomes your advertisement. Business number 15. Content creation agency. Millions of businesses need content every day. Videos, articles, graphics, short-form clips, email newsletters. The demand keeps growing. Instead of creating content for yourself, you can build a small agency that helps businesses stay active online. You don't need a large office. Many successful agencies operate remotely with freelancers working from different countries. As you gain clients, your role shifts from doing everything yourself to managing projects and delivering quality work. Eventually, you're not just selling content. You're selling a complete marketing solution. Business number 16. AI automation. Consulting artificial intelligence is changing the way businesses operate. But here's the surprising part. Many business owners still don't know how to use these tools effectively. That's where AI consultants create value. By helping companies automate repetitive tasks, improve customer service, write content faster, or organize workflows, they save businesses both time and money. The startup cost is extremely low. Your biggest investment is learning the tools and understanding how they solve real problems. As AI adoption continues to grow, businesses will increasingly look for experts who can guide them through this new technology. Sometimes, the greatest business opportunity isn't creating something new. It's helping others use new technology more effectively. Conclusion. After hearing all 16 business ideas, you may have noticed something interesting. None of them require millions of dollars. None require a luxury office, and most don't depend on having perfect timing. Instead, they all have one thing in common. They solve real problems. And that's the foundation of every successful business. Many people spend years waiting for the perfect opportunity. They wait until they have more money, more experience, or more confidence. But successful entrepreneurs often begin before everything feels perfect. They learn while they build. They improve through action. Remember, a small business earning consistent profits is far more valuable than a brilliant idea that never gets started. You don't need to launch all 16 businesses. You only need one idea that matches your skills, your interests, and your willingness to stay consistent. Success rarely comes from finding a secret. It comes from solving problems better than anyone else. If today's video gave you a new perspective on building wealth with a small budget, let us know in the comments. Which business would you start first? And why? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video on smart business ideas, personal finance, and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.